Are you riding your scooter? You riding it to nursery?
Yes.
Good boy.
I got it around the corner.
You did.
Around the corner.
This is uphill a little bit. Go on, off you go. You have to push really hard.
This is the last one.
The last bit.
Last bit.
Watch the cars. It didn't. Right, say bye, Nana.
Bye, Mama.
Say thank you for my scooter.
Thank you for my scooter.
And wave.